Well, I guess you can see my screen and my background here. Right tools for right job, Noor Ali. Subscribe, the bell. Hey, don't watch my content for free, man. I'm for real out there, people, ladies, boys, grown men, grown women, spiritual human beings, aliens, entities, whoever you are in the matrix in the cloud. Subscribe to my channel, okay? So we can have fun. Fun in the sun, as I call it. This is your host, Noor Ali. So this is live, looking live, looking live at YouTube. Technology, part 2. All right. 98% of the time, what are you interested in within YouTube? So this is your map graph. Okay. And then we have all the languages down there. Look, English. English, all these people are watching me all over the world. Well, I'm grateful. Wherever you are, wherever you are, my God. Jiminy Cricket. Jiminy Cricket. It's a saying, okay? I'm grateful to y'all, whoever you are watching. I'm going to have fun. As we know, there is no money that I make from this. My channel is not monetized. I'm just having a blast. I'm just having fun, pure fun, right? So it tells you in the here in the below, short feeds, how many views, other YouTube features, YouTube searches, channel pages, browser, external, right? Jeez, Jiminy Cricket, beautiful, beautiful numbers. It's looking up. That's all I can ask for, right? Let's move on to cities. Now, I do watch this graph. This is a graph. So if you connect on blue, it'll tell you which country. If you connect on yellow, green, it'll give you the numbers, right? So numbers are right. So USA 348, Russia 26, United Kingdom 51, Germany 81, Canada 82. I love it. I love it. I love graphs. Being a IT guy, being a security guy, man, all this information is lovely. Look, it even breaks down city by city. Jiminy Cricket, Netherlands, Italy, South Africa, Ukraine, Philippines. Wow. 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 All over the world, huh? Whoever you are, wherever you are, all those spiritual human beings out there, thank you very much. God bless you all. But hey, do me a favor, subscribe to my channel. Okay? Let's make it good. Okay? Let's make it real good moving forward. Look, I see some people from it breaks down the city too. Look at that. Moscow, Russia, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Chicago, Illinois, New York, USA, London, woohoo, Myanmar, Burma, Sydney, Australia. Woo! Man, I'm impressed. I'm duly impressed, right? Duly impressed. Thank you very much. Whoever you are, wherever you are, to all the spiritual human being out there who are watching my channel, okay, my content. Now, being an IT guy, being a technologist, right? I am a through and through technologist for many years, many years, right? Many years. Two things I'm always after: device type. I want to know what the device type is, so I'm going to click on the device type, and it's going to take me to the device type, right? So I want to know by technology who's using what. All right, so I can give you 80% of the people in the world today is using mobile phones, smartphones. 14% right here is using computers and 3% are using tablet, and 236 people are viewing my stuff on their TV. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, this is cool. Like I said, I am thoroughly enjoying this, 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 this. This is mind blowing. Also, and I'm just having fun, right? I mean, what else can you do, right? You gotta have fun, right? You have to have fun. If you cannot have fun, then trust me, believe me, life becomes meaningless and boring. Oh, I having such a ball with this one. So this is another graph, right? You got the blue, you got the green, you got the yellow, and you got the purple and the flat line. Hey, flat line means you're dead. If there is no flat line, it means you're dead in the water, right? Now, if you have spikes, it's called spikes in technology, in security, in data graphs. If you got spikes, right? Hey, you're doing good, right? Look, so technology wise, I can tell you majority of the people use Android. Second majority of the people use Apple phones or iPhones, iOS devices. Next majority is Windows versus Macintosh, which is Apple. Then we got Smart TV, Chrome OS, and Roku. So Roku is a little device, and I got some Linux people out there. I got some Amazon Fire OS, means they're watching this stuff on my TV, on your TV. Like I have a Amazon Fire Stick, and I don't have a Roku, but I have another device. And I got some people on PlayStation. I got some people on Apple TV OS. I got Xbox, Nintendo Switch. I am honored. And Chromecast. Woohoo! Unknown. And Vita. Some foreign country probably. To all those people out there, to all those spiritual human beings out there. Thank you very much. Do this old man a favor, okay? Subscribe to my channel, all right? You subscribe to my channel, I will share with you some neat stuff, some good stuff when it comes to right tools for right job versus in electronics versus in data communication versus in field engineering, installer, decommission, known as decom in the data center, and security, SOC, application, diagnostics, utilities, and platforms. YouTube is a platform. It's global, it's alive, and it's living 24/7. If you can make it in YouTube, you can make it anywhere, right? So you need to feed it the data, you need to feed the content on your channel, you need to know what you're doing, and if you're smart, if you're intelligent, you're creative, you think outside the box with minimum investment. All right? 98% of the time, you got to put your time, you got to put your commitment, you got to put your effort. I did not invest too much in my channel, just a simple selfie stick, my regular smartphone, Android that I use for work and home, my old Dell laptop with Microsoft Office, PowerPoint, and other stuff that I have built into it, and my tools that have accumulated throughout the years being in the field for almost 30 years, man. Okay? So believe me, with the bottom of my heart, bottom of my soul, subscribe to my channel. I'm having a fun, I'm having a blast with this, and I'm going to enjoy it as long as I can. I'll be honest with you, I ain't making a single penny, okay? And this is just to keep me occupied, to keep me busy until I pick up my next project and contract role. Till then, thank you very much. God bless you all. You all need to have fun, and you all need to enjoy your life. Enjoy every moment of your life. I thank the universe. I thank the planet. I thank the cosmos. I thank the Divine Spirit and all the elements, and I thank all my subscribers, all my viewers. Thank you very much. Adios, amigos.